Ito yung smart foreheads, printer head, cupping, head cleaning, nozzle test. Dito naman ang ground wire at AVR. Ink tank, tama lang, at ink system. Waste tank, in-use supplies. Andito naman ang stocks at unused ink at sabli rolls. Sa consumable, ang na-consume namin 1.55 ay 8. Apat na sayan, magenta, yellow, at black. Naka 810 meters naman kami na run last week. Ito naman ang aking printer daily checklist.